Hi guys, welcome back to Growing 101. Since it's seed starting season, we thought it would be fun to show you our grow room setup. So the biggest part of our seed starting room is these shelves here behind me, and as you can see, we've already gotten a big start on some seed starting. So obviously these shelves are a really intense setup, and not everyone has the money, the space, or the time to have a setup like this, but we do incorporate some very important things into our grow shelves, like grow lights. We have a fan over there, and we have heat mats, and we use trays underneath the plants so that we can bottom water. So in our growing setup, we use a bunch of grow lights. These of course are not super necessary, but they are extremely helpful when you're starting seeds indoors. A couple of things to take note about is how far your grow lights are from your actual seedlings. It's important not to keep it too far away or too close. Another thing we have in our grow setup is a fan. Air ventilation is really important when you're starting seeds, so if you don't have a well-ventilated space, a fan is always really helpful to have. Another important thing to use for seed starting is heat mats. This helps your seeds germinate really well, but it's again not very necessary, but something easy to use and helpful. And lastly, we use trays underneath all of our seedlings. This helps us bottom water. This is kind of necessary when starting seeds because you can easily overwater seedlings. So bottom watering helps these seedlings not drown. So another component to our seed starting room is our AquaTree hydroponic tower. A lot of people think that they can only use this for microgreens, but we actually find it super helpful to start seeds in this. And as you can tell, we do use it a lot. If you've seen our Instagrams, we just harvested a huge head of lettuce. So we use this year round. We've got a lot of stuff growing in here like thyme and other herbs. This is super helpful if you don't want dirt everywhere in your house. You can grow hydroponically.
Hi, I am Drea.
And she's planning on starting some stuff in AquaTree, so we thought we would show you her process for seed starting. So now that we have the seeds and we labeled all of our containers, we're going to put them in the AquaTree. So as you can see, using the AquaTree is super simple. It goes without saying. That process took us maybe 10 minutes and these seeds are ready to go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this Growing 101, make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos from us. If you guys have your own growing setups you'd like to share, drop them in the comments below or tag us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.